Hey guys, are you tired of Tinder and want to delete your account but don't know how to? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to delete our Tinder account. Now let's begin. Initially, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. First of all, what we need to do is simply click on the top left button. Right here, you can see something like your profile picture along with your name. Just click on it. Then something like this will pop up. Well, simply scroll down on the left hand side. And there, you can see something like delete account. Click on the button right there in case you want to delete your account. I'm gonna click on it right now. It's giving me two options, whether I want to hide my account or actually delete my account. Yes, I do want to delete my account, so I'm gonna click on the later option. It's gonna ask for my confirmation again. Yes, I do want to delete, so let's set on delete my account. And guys, that's about it. That's how you delete your Tinder account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.